welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through a particular I'm going to answer a particular question, which is which websites allow split payments. Now, it's important to distinguish between split payments in the sense of using multiple payment methods for one transaction and split payments as in buy now pay later services. So I'm going to concentrate on splitting payments with multiple payment methods. Then in the next video I'll concentrate on split payments as in buy now and pay later services. So let's get started. Now, when you split payments with multiple payment methods, that is maybe gift cards and credit card, the website that allows this is Walmart. You see, Walmart allows the use of up to 5 gift cards in combination with a credit or debit card. Amazon also allows it. It allows splitting payment between an Amazon.com gift card and another payment method. Wayfair. While generally limiting multiple card use, they may allow it through customer service. They do allow combining gift cards with other payment methods. Now, those are the only ones that I can say for now, because it is very important to note that many retailers do not allow the splitting of payment between multiple credit cards, and many retailers will allow the combination of gift cards and credit or debit cards. Now, you can check out another video on how to use for buy now and pay later services. So how website that allows split payments, that is buy now pay later services. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.